Hi guys, welcome to the next tutorial in this complete Premiere Pro 2021 course. In this tutorial, we will be covering the different ways of importing media into our project. Now, there are several ways of importing media into a project and it all depends on you which one you find it easier. So there's really no right and wrong here. Let me show you the first way, which is by going into the file menu and then clicking on import, and you are going to land on this window. You can also do the same by using your keyboard shortcuts, which is Command and I key if you're on Mac and Control and I key if you're on Windows. Now, the other way of importing media is simply by double clicking in your project panel and you are going to land on the same window. Once here, you can then go ahead and select the media you want to bring in. Now you can select either just one file or a number of different files, and you can also import full folders containing your media if that's what you want. Now, once you've selected your files, you can click on this button and Premiere is going to import all of this media and you will be able to view all of this in your project panel. Now, another way of importing media is just by dropping files into your project from any folder on your device. So if I bring up my folder and drag this file and drop it here, you can see that Premiere has imported this media successfully. So guys, these are some of the ways how you can import media into your project, and this is all what I wanted to cover off in this video. In the next tutorial, we will look at the workspaces, project and sequence settings and preferences. So till then, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next tutorial.